What's your name, ma'am? भूमिका. You're with? पंकज भूमिका. बताओ किस बात पे लड़ते हो?
He honks too much on the road.
He honks too much on the road. But do you ever drive in Gurgaon? Everyone honks. If you will not honk, the other person behind you will honk. Eventually, you have
But
to
I
honk.
want him to be kind to
Huh?
people who are on the road.
क्या मैम?
I want
You want him to be kind to people on the road. Have you ever seen a Thar coming from behind? Little bit of tires outside the main body. Do you think it works on kindness in Gurgaon? No, it works on aggression only. What do you want him to do in Gurgaon? Don't you ever want to reach your destination? रास्ते पर गाड़ी धीरे चलाइए, सबको जाने दीजिए. क्या पता थार वाले को इमरजेंसी है, इसको जी टाउन पहुंचना है बहुत जल्दी, ठेका बंद हो जाएगा. क्या हुआ मैम? ऐसे आप इतना
it spoils my peace also.
It spoils your peace also because why? What lovely utopian world you're living in. You're looking for peace in Gurgaon. There is no